Hello, Amazon. Hey there, Amazon shoppers. It's Amy here with 911 Studios, and we are talking about the best breast pumps on all of Amazon. And this one right here might be my all-time favorite. This is the Willow Wearable Breast Pump. You guys, there's a couple of different wearable breast pumps on the market, ones that you can put right in your nursing bra and it goes with you where you go, which is amazing technology. But what makes the Willow even better and the top of the top, the best out there, is that it has anti-spill, anti-leak technology. This is the only wearable breast pump that you can do in any position. That means you can wear this while you are lying down, while you are sleeping, while you are doing yoga, while you are exercising. It doesn't matter. You can be pumping while you are doing all of the other things that you are trying to fit into your day. This is just amazing technology. There's nothing else like it. You've got to check it out. Not only that, it's comfortable, it's quiet, it is top of the line in every single way. But on top of that, what makes Willow just a step above the rest is that it comes with a free app community. You get complimentary consulting with their all mom team that is going to help you along your breastfeeding journey every step of the way. This is amazing for first-time mothers. It's amazing for first-time breastfeeding mothers, first-time pumpers, or anyone along the way. You are going to get so much out of their app. You're going to get so much out of this pump. This is just an amazing product. I encourage you, look at all of the reviews. Everyone is raving about it. Put it in your cart, put it on your registry. You guys are going to be so glad that you did.